driving a tractor and this riding a tuk-tuk, and now I'm in JCB. So still I'm in Gandhigram village of Arunachal Pradesh. I will show you the few things, but first I'm gonna live my dream.
ऊपर उठाइए, ऊपर उठाइए.
And guys, you can see that mountain top. You know, the other side of that mountain is Burma, Myanmar. And this is Gandhigram village of Arunachal Pradesh. So nice. See villages, they're taking shower over there. It feels like I'm in Mongolia. and they're washing. Oh, hello! No. हेलो, मैं जिस लैंग्वेज में भूल गई हूँ. So nice. See, so amazing. Guys, the name of this river is Singh River, and it comes from Burma, I think, or it goes to Burma. I don't know. I'm very confused. But look at the scenery. Wow. So guys, finally we have reached the health center. You can see, and this is the small health center of this village. You can see. Yes. Sub center Gandhigram, district Changlang. Yes, you can see it. Hello. Can I film you? Morning. Yes. Guys, this is the health center, and she works here. Her name is Kohaikam, and she's going to explain a little bit about this place. Explain, you can tell.
हम लोग का मतलब बहुत वो है, क्या बोलते हैं, स्पेस जो छोटा है यार,
हाँ.
मतलब ये सब रखने के लिए भी जगह नहीं है, और रूम हो जाता तो अच्छा होता,
Oh.
लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah, you guys need a little bit of more facilities. But it's nice, at least in this heaven you have got a small health center. It's very nice to meet you. So guys, I am with
Juicy. मेरा नाम Juicy.
Juicy. Okay, I am with Juicy, and he is going to, teach me how to say hello in Liso language. Hello, कैसे बोलेंगे?
Alia.
Alia. And Khwa Khwa, क्या था वो? How are you?
How are you?
Oh, if you want to say how are you, you have to ask Khwa Khwa. And thank you?
Shamua.
Samua is for thank you in Lisu language. Thank you so much. They are very, very shy. Guys, look at the landscape. It's so amazing. It's so beautiful. Wow. Guys, I am really grateful to Dada, for showing me around, for helping me to mingle with the locals. Dada, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Now I am my way back to Miao. So guys, now I am going to show you something magical. Look at the butterfly. Wow. So I have reached Miao, And with that, I'm gonna end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.